everyone, I'm Alli Brooks with the Pikes Peak Library District, and I'm here today to share with you an ooey, gooey, and gross science experiment all about the digestive system. Now, before we get started, you will need a potato masher, funnel, one small banana or piece of bread, one plain biscuit, an empty jar or bowl, 30 milliliters or about 2 tablespoons of orange juice, 30 milliliters of water, green and red food coloring, a medium-sized Ziploc bag, one leg from a pair of tights, and a tray or plate. Now, step 1 is to place your biscuit and banana into an empty bowl and use a potato masher to crush it all up. This is what happens when your food is being chewed. It's an important step because the digestive process starts with ingestion. Next, we are going to pour our mixture into a Ziploc bag. Once it's in our Ziploc bag, we're going to add 30 milliliters of orange juice, and then about 30 milliliters of water. Make sure all of the air is out of your bag and seal it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now, the water represents saliva, which helps to moisten and dissolve your food and cleans your mouth. It rids it of debris and bacteria and also helps prevent cavities and gingivitis, but I would still recommend brushing your teeth. The orange juice is acidic, which acts as stomach acid to help break down your food. Now keep mixing for about a minute or so. It's going to want to resemble a really thick liquid. Just a little longer, we're going to squeeze and break down our food, which acts much like your stomach as it gets everything ready for its next step in the journey of digestion. Now we are going to get our tights ready, which are our intestines. We're gonna stick a funnel in here to try and minimize the mess. Next, I'm going to snip a corner off of our bag and very carefully pour it into the funnel. It's nice and thick, which is what we want. So slowly but surely, it's funneling into our intestines. If you have a spoon or fork or some sort of cutlery handy, you can help. Squish it along. Make sure it all gets into your tights here. Now, this is optional, but for added effect, you can add a couple of dots of green food coloring, which represents bile produced by the liver, and red food coloring, which represents dead red blood cells. If you do decide to use food coloring, I recommend putting on some gloves because this part can stain your hands. Now, in the process of digestion, the red blood cells' iron can be recycled and used throughout the body. Similarly, the bile produced by the liver helps break down fatty acids. So now, as our food goes through our intestines, you'll see that liquid starts to come out. This is all of the nutrients absorbed by your body. So once you have your delicious nutrients, what's left is the waste, also known as poop. I hope you enjoyed learning about the digestive system with me today. For more great virtual programs and activities, please visit PPLD TV. But until next time, bye!